Manisibusele kuni emakhaya with mnandi ngulinge guys uzizi ucwabe ezemidlalo zonke ziyasha today ngilapha eNew5 kulapho khona dlala khona iKasi Festival football iyadlala netball iyadlala amani nami sibukene ezemidlalo nilandele ezemidlalo zonke azishe masambeni ezemidlalo guys ziyasha today ngabe Motherwell eNew5 kulapho khona kudlala iKasi Festival netball and also it's football edlalayo. But next to me I'm with Ulwando. Ulwando, welcome to Azishe.
And thanks for you to welcome me to Azishe. Yeah, good man.
Guys, niyazi Ulwando apparently today we organize the festival. Ulwando, the thought of having these games eKasi township bra ivelaphi?
Good man, I'm ukuchonga kwami nokunderstand kwami ne. It's just that like Tina, Sikaban Basakas, we hardly get opportunities the way about because the goal behind this, it's actually have like 2 or 3 kids as the Tibana does scout to Apa, Bosabono Apa, like again, Chipa United is in Yesapai, but you hardly get them to come because events and come and scout the kids. So the idea was that man, just try to pave way for them because they ask Kunjani, Ungatali and doing Yabo. So I was like, man, I know people, I know things. I like sports, yeah. Well, let me just introduce this and then go on the 6. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do it at home, man. Sure, man.
Yeah, as much as Neudla Samandwana, my objectives are Manazo.
To be honest with you, I've been away for the past 4 years. Yeah, well, I've been doing the Nanyasa Machita. Now I'm back by myself, yeah, well, which is this event you see in Mklanje. Doesn't have funding. But Vodacom came to the party, was like, okay, dude, we're not going to give you anything, yabo. But what we're going to do, we're going to set up for you, give you a jumping castle, make sure event become a success, yabo. And then also, in Treba, we want 59. I went to him, I said, Treba, this is what I want. He was like, oh, boy, I understand this is your idea. Let's try and do this, yabo. See, and small as I can. And then, yeah, it looks amazing. I'm very proud of myself, like, to be honest with you. And the love I'm getting from the people, and Kukaban Benes knows the Gwenza, like, Treba, he's literally spending the whole day here today, yabo. So, that's good. It's good. We're getting there. It's baby steps.
And Upper Namdabona is lots of activities, face painting and everything, brother.
The idea was that actually to have something like a family day, whereas we get kids, most we know that they don't like sports, and when I was talking sport, we're like, okay, you know what? We have coolest DJ in PE, DJs there to like Spizo, XS, Pindus, one DJ that decided, okay, you know what? Let's plug you with the. It's a donation because we understand you're doing it for the community. So entertainment is for those people about Sunday sport, but they want to listen to music and they want to be here. And then face painting, you babysitting. I'm like, no man, bring your child. There's a jumping castle. It's like a daycare for Rabanduan. Just have a day like a.
Before I let you go, brother, do you think this thing will continue happening every year or it's once off?
To be honest with you, we're back. We're back and we've been away from the past 4 years. So now we look back like 10 years later because 2016, that's when I started doing events back in Blue Water Bay. So just wait, man. There's a lot going on. Just wait and yeah, you're going to see, man. Because I know there's one for the June 16 and then I also know there's the first September. There's also one there. So I think I'm going to give you 3 this year because it's still a baby and then after that, yeah.
All the best, brother. Sounds easy. Guys, as news vela from Gulano Njogweni, about uplifting their community. And also, whenever you mention about your community and also the word, I'm joining with Kaiba way to Mr. Batenja. Kaiba, what yako, man? Kupizi. And you 6, what it means having the festival, yes, games as netball for and also for your what and for your people as well.
No, it's a great pleasure. One, it means that at least young people are kept busy. It means young people can organize events themselves. It means young people have a vision. Because as government, we can't think of certain things like this. But when we collaborate with other bringing young men like Ulwando, you get this. And this is something that is being in our office and talk about it and see where we can assist, make sure that the field is available, the police and all the services that we can as government. So ours is to just always encourage them. I know he's planning other ones, as you say, it's June, September. Look, the word is open. I think even Vodacom, we just have a chat and offline to say, look, Councillor, we've been working in your ward, we want to continue. So we are encouraging young people, everyone in fact, to come forward to our offices, tell us your plans, we see where we can help.
And consider whenever you mention a community, resources to amabala or gym, gawe community, but to manage to keep early bala even cala gym ngapha yana intact kakuhle, importance of maintaining our resources.
Look, luckily within our community, my NU6, NU7, NU5, we have patrollers that they established themselves. It's another issue of keeping our infrastructure intact. Two, they respect their place. It's one of the things that I'm proud to say. They respect their place, they utilize it. So ours is always just to keep the municipality, maintain it in good condition, so people, they want to use it all the time. So it's all about the community and looking after their own infrastructure. So you're not going to get it within our ward because everyone knows that they need this thing tomorrow for their kids, for themselves as grandmothers and grandfathers, and also as parents.
Last the message that you want to tell about Bokshala that whenever having such events, about in numbers.
Look, we always tell people from the municipality side, every year we get 150,000 of a discretionary fund, but now it's called the welfare fund within wards. We encourage NPOs, we encourage sporting bodies, we encourage people to come to the office with your ideas. We'll sit down and find a way and make sure that it happens. So we are saying community, come to the office. That's on, because there is no point of us having all these things if we're not going to collaborate with people on it.
Thanks for your time.
No, thanks a lot.
Ezemidlalo guys ziyasha ningayindawo uceba usihlalele and the coaches as well ziyeza ezemidlalo zonke guys ezemidlalo ziyasha selapha new5 amuthi ukamva team yakhe iyatshiwa vele yawina brother this game namhlanje basinidlala ubanjani want to play these games
noko Divan khulekile vakamande man initiative right lena and at least I build the spirit up in Motherwell. Big ups to Budlwando for the opportunity.
Yeah. Also team yakho how many games so far nidlale
Sidlale 2 games so far, siwine 1, satyiwa 1. But sizodlala next time kwale game idlalayo ngoku siyoyiwina.
Yeah. Okay, so if ever niwinile chances then to qualify for semi-finals ikhona
100% khona zikhona siyayiwina lena le game.
But and bone confidence ba gentlemen ngathi zayiwina tournament.
Sithemba mna khona wena. Usibukele siyayiwina khona nam. So good.
So good.
So khona nkosi man Buddha man.
These guys is very after they won last game but they were gonna play semi-final. They try to win the whole tournament. Ningayindawo. Ezemidlalo guys ziyasha dilapha now with Umafa performer. We will talk about the Alisdale tournament as no one knows that this weekend, Easter weekend, all over Eastern Cape, not only Eastern Cape, all over South Africa, but my welcome to Aziz Zemidlalo.
Yes, enkosi nami ndinemingcele kakhulu kuba lapha. Ukubona lento ba excited kodwa anxious kwelinye icala kuba njalo kulawa bamba umsitho and ke especially kuba le tournament iMafa Foundation Sports Festival ikhe yathatha break ye 2 years. Coming back with a bang isizana ezinye ku sporting codes. I'm excited for the first time the fun run. I'm excited for the first time amankumane boxing so ilento ndijoy ba ndinemingcele man. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Yeah.
Also take us through. We understand that there's a machine that it program yakho kusasa athletics. Take us through your program of the day.
Yeah. It kickstarts on Friday, Good Friday, with the football only, and then Saturday is the most exciting day. Kicking off exactly at 7. Sisebale Nsonge fun run iyaqala at 8 o'clock. It's only 5 kilometers. Yeah, I need to lead by example. So sikala ngelo xesha we do the fun run. There will be goodies sponsors zam ezikhona into eziphisa ngazo so kuzaba mnandi. It's a family affair. Abantu abadala I'm so excited ukubona abantu abahamba nge-wheelchair alizebesini mafa wanna be there, wanna be part of that front race. So it's exciting yona ngamandla kuba ke into entsha. And then straight after that rugby is kicking off because it's a one-day tournament ke yona ke ne-netball at the same time and ke ngoku into mandi it's uniting the community as Alisdale. The activities zenzeka kwanonzwakazi location which is ilokishi abantu abamnyama kakhulu and then nakwilokishi yabebale emakhalatini Transrefill. So the activities zangomgqibelo kuzabe senzeka pha eTransrefill. Iqala pha eTransrefill stadium irace iphinde yokuphelela khona ne-rugby is happening there also ne-netball is happening there whilst soccer yona will be continuing for the next 3 days kwanonzwakazi sports field.
As much as we understand that rural sport important nowadays,
Yes.
especially during the Easter weekend.
Yes.
Your take on that?
Yeah, zinintsi into ezizingxaki kwi-community zethu, especially ngelaa xesha utywala nee-drugs, if akhona abantu abananto yokwenza. And then ngoku laa nto ke ngoku iyanceda le sport to take away i-attention from the negativities, abantu bafocuse kule into. And also in terms of i-economy, abantu basekuhlaleni bayakwazi ungena bokuthengisa, akho stalls kuthiwa siyabhatalelwa, no, ungena ebaleni naloo nto uyithengisayo uthengise. And I was so excited ukuva the business people base-Alistair be-excited about bringing back this sports festival because inzuzo ezanayo kubahlali nakwi-business at large.
Guys, ezemidlalo ziyasha, as much as sikhula kakhulu nathi ku-Motherwell, sikhula kwinto sikhula kuzo, we knew khula kwethu that Alistair, your Alistair, your Cookhouse, your Mnyameni, Alexandria, they host the best tournaments, your King Williamstown, your Rapid tournaments, at Qoboqobo. We know that Mnyama having these opportunities, what it means, but
It means a lot. Contribution to sports development. It means a lot. Contribution to imeko zethu zolenda zokuhlala. People are going through a lot. And ke ngoku uyayazi with ezemidlalo into eziyithathayo ezilento buyithetha. Mna I grew up eAlisdale. Ilento Easter tournament was a big thing. I've never played sport, but mna it was the impact even off the field. So ilento yandenza excitayo ukuba I need to bring back that excitement elento ke eklaleni. So ilento uyijoyo now ukuba ilento yanika imincili yaloo nto leyo ukuba ine contribution enkulu manje ekuhlaleni kakhulu.
And you understand that tournament yakho, it caters all the ages.
Yes,
Yabona,
yes,
please
yes,
elaborate
yes,
on that.
Yeah, it's an open tournament. Kukho legends that wants to be part of that. So it's open for everyone. It's more about entertainment and sport at the end of the day. And I'm hoping mhlawumbi ne-friends zami ezikwezi team Chippa United nento khezinye manzi yokroba zibone ukuba can they not scout some talent pha ngezinye zezinto wena linke ezikwenza uve kamnandi uve kuthiwa nangu umfana othile uscoutiwe kwi-rugby, uscoutiwe kwisoka, uscoutiwe kwi-netball. So ke ngeza zinto sinqwenela ukuba ezi tournaments ziphume nazo, kuphume abantwana abaza kumela isizwe kwezi dolophu zethu zinini zincinci, abantwana baphume emgqubeni. Yeah.
And when you mention Dolop, obviously you're going to invite your Peterson.
Yes. I'm so excited. Teams that are interested, Kirkwood. I'm so excited. Kirkwood there, Peterson, Abakaya Bam Bakona, Scotty teams very Jeffreys Bay, Bakona, Wololo, and also from Apepai. But it says she has a tournament. I'm so excited when I link a code. Yeah.
Thanks for your time and all the best for tournament.
Man, jabulela kakhulu and thank you for to Nkuni Mpuma Kapa TV ngonika le opportunity and ngokwenene kuyabonakala ba sisikhulu sethu salaphe ephondweni aniyo Mpuma Kapa for nothing. Nyani nithatha Mpuma Kapa niyibeka kula ndawo. Nendawo zethu bezingaziwo Alistair now zifumanele uthuba linjalo.
Ukubaluleka but mafa include women.
Yes.
Kwezemidlalo. Kuyo tournament.
Yes. Yeyona nto ndisazama ukuyityala ngamandla. Okwangoku yes it's a netball. And kulo nyaka uzayo we need ukufaka nebhola ekhatywayo yamanina so that ibe ipart. Ibe umna ndifuna sifike kwipoint apho uba ezi codes are 50-50. Awukho enye yongamele enye. Or actually na kwi-boxing we have female bouts. So uyabona on top of that ilento ndijoy we just need ngoku kwezi tournaments ezilandelayo sifake ngoku ilento ke-football yamanina. So it's so exciting. Ilento ndijoyo apho ndijonge khona mayibe ngu-50-50 in terms of codes that
and inomnandi when it comes to kundaba athletics 5K mention yona. It's variety.
Hayi kaloku umuntu wonke yona ivuleleke kumuntu wonke, everyone is there and ke amadoda ayathanda ukonqena uvuka and yathanda uba ngusisi anakothuka kuba kula fun run it will be dominated by amanina anakothuka because kudala ndizama ukuthi abantu madoda ngolesihlanu we-Good Friday niziphathe kakuhle funeka sivukile hey andawathembanga but abona abantu neshori yabo baza kube bevukile bepha iza kwangusisi. I'm expecting wena linge in terms of numbers 70
mhlawumbe
please do that
walk, man.
man please man uzabe uhleli just konke. I'm expecting amanina amaninzi kwi-fun run. Yeah.
Amachita linge why ungasibuzelanga kumafa but the price tournament, the price is the main prices ziyamanjani because you know abantu baya ayilahlile.
Uqala kwi football I prize enkulu 20,000 for iteam ewinleyo, and then second prize be 10k, and then the third prize 5,000. Nale ifumene indawo yesine sayilahlela ikiti. So we want everyone abe happy. And then we rugby, first prize 5,000 rands, and then we 2.5 runners up. Same thing now we netball 5k, and then runners up zifumana 2.5. And then we fun run the first 200 bazafumana medals. Onina. And also some other goodies ezakufumaneka ke ngoku amanye amaqithiqithi amaninzi. So everyone will walk home with something.
But Mafa, as much as we have mentioned excitement yakho about the tournament yakho ezayo Alisdale, without abantu assisted you for this tournament, it soze be possible.
Bengasoze link bengingenawukwazi ukusebenza ndedwa, and I'm so excited ukusebenza neteam yami. Ndiyavuya nyani uba unike ithuba ba ndinabantu aba passionate to work with me. Ndingakhange ndiphakamise isandla. Mntakwethu uBongani Bhavuma wavela wankrweca wathi I've been watching you and enewarna ngale minyaka mibini. Kulo nyaka wavela wan approach wathi mntakwethu andiceli kuwe, I'll be part of your organizing team. He's leading the team. Nomkhulu wami ubhuti wami ubekade phangela udla umhlala phansi ukuhleli pha ekhaya. So ukuba khona kwakhe pha ekhaya ngenye into exciteayo because ngoku unaye ukwinto yokuba must develop Alisdale, and this is just a beginning. And my partner, the guy has started the tournament naye, Utsala Fiz was a Peterson originally, but he was one of the brains behind this tournament. We are still together, and the vision is still there, and siyayazi iphupha lethu linye, and siyavumelana ngento ezininzi because siphuma kwezindawo zincinci sobabini zasePeterson naseAlisdale. So eyona nto ibalulekileyo ukuthi kuluhlumo. It's not about the pockets zethu. Thina linge kule minyaka idlule he has never we benefited nothing epokotweni zethu, but eyona nto bisenza sivuye ibiye bayimpumelelo ye-tournament. Nangoku senalo mentality. It's not about us, it's about the community, it's about the development.
Before I let you go, abantu will be traveling.
Yes.
Different places, kuya Alisdale.
Yes.
Your message to our ones drive on.
Yeah. Please guys, siyazi ba kuxakekiwe ezidleleni. Be safe. Ningarush ukuya Alisdale. Ningazileqi. We've got the whole weekend. We are from Friday until Monday. Uzurasha noba ufike ngolwesikazi uza kufika entertainment ikhona. If we want to cover indawo ezininzi mhlawumbe ufuna uqala eCook House, ufuna uhle uqala eMnyameni. Qalapho uqomba okay uzisetela amaxesha ulungisa ixesha lakho kakuhle kuba ndizawuqala lapha ndiqala lapha ndizakuya kodwa ndiyokuvela Alisdale. Yonke lento mani masiyenze ngomoya omhle, ngomoya oright, ngomoya olonwabo, singonwabi de sigqithise. And if use Alisdale waziqonda kuba hey uzonzakalise kakhulu so uhlala pha eAlisdale ungaphumi ungahambi saku-entertainer, sinazo nendawo Alisdale senala culture ba undwendwe liyamkela. So ube stranded eAlisdale. That I can tell you.
Thanks, Papa.
Yeah, because I got one league.
Sure, all the best, man. Tournament, guys. Guys, kamcala simidlalo azishini ngayindawo sayintengisweni. Abukele emakhaya manje namkele niselapha ke NU5 club khona dlala khona iKasi festival netball and also football games, the township football and township netball. Kuhele ke emva kwami ezinibona bakusadlala abantwana, but next to me I'm being joined by, I won't say is it twins, but bobabini ngosomeleze different names. Machita molweni ngolkantu yazisho.
Sure Talinge.
Brothers, so udlala lezi game namhlanje. Why amachita akho you decided udlala games up?
Ngiqala isibukelise kubabukeli. Talinge, the reason size apha sifuna ugain experience. It's not about to win tournament. Nje bas gain experience. Yeah, you reason it basize ke apha kule tournament sojoina le tournament. Sifuna ugain experience.
Wena soso bana yena experience oyigain wena on your side.
I am qala ndisibulisele babukeli njengoba bethile khonmanje ngisomeleze mina khona nami anzela ngizogain experience apha mina nzela uzowina mina apha nzela ngizogain experience nzela uzowina mina
so uthi soso naye uzowina yena into experience kayingeni yena.
Hayi thina apha sangazowina thina so gain experience, but ngakhona i-chances basiwine because sina to lose. Sine game esekeza zadlala after le game ngasine match sayidlala, so sinayo i-chance uba okay sithini siphinde sinyuse igawusi.
So the reason wena uzogain experience because niyaluza nina.
Siyaluza but siluza sisamile. Yeah, it's officially woku akhono like sathi bone akhono man like asijonganga phezulu nje ba okay izaba uNkulunkulu ke usenza ba okay ke ba okay siphumelele otherwise thiye so gain experience cha.
Ezemidlalo azishe so far game sidlale yini on the side so uzingaphi and also do you think tournament uzayiwina?
Sidlale 2 games sabethwa 1 sawina 1 and ke ayokuba sizayiwina i-tournament andisho but ke team yam ndiyayibona iku-final kodwa.
Why nani do you think that uzayiwina tournament? Don't that strong ngakhona ngayo.
Anzotsho ba sistrong okanye siwiki kodwa ke le patience sinayo and nathi sizixelele ukuba sizothatha i-tournament apha but basiyithathe sixele masijike kwi-final basithathe masibeke kwi-final.
Okay, good luck for your final.
So buda yam.
So okay, so good luck next game yakho.
Short link.
Guys, ezemidlalo nasivela amathida athi azoyiwina i-tournament. Ezemidlalo ziyasha guys. Selapha a new 5 apha khona dlala khona i-games netball and football. But next to me Time kunye Bucho. Welani bra. Today nilapha why ni choose ukudlala these games namhlanje?
Sichoose uzo encourage nabantwana izinto ezininzi ziyenzeka apha. There's crime, there's drugs, so at least siyabatsala abantwana they can see ba nathi safuna udlala isport but guess abethwa izinto ezithile. So encourage actually abantwana. That's the most important thing esizelethi especially thina abantu abadala kubo.
Yeah. Enunyanisile because Motherwell idume ngezinto zinjalo currently. But as games man kuni as a player sedokuthini?
Zithetha ukuthi it's more of a fitness because you don't have time. Singabanye siyaphangela bayafunda abanye so at least just to be active. You understand? To be active senze izinto ezifana nezi and that's all man. That's all I can say. Yeah.
And so far team yakho idlala njani?
To lose Buddha. To lose Buddha because esidlala nendwala zakhawuleza man. Zakhawuleza bhuti omkhulu. So yeah, but ke ibhola injalo, sports injalo, so you win, you lose or you draw. So same as nasempilweni. So yeah.
Ukhala ngepace mana knows nepace une-experience wena. So how do you counter attack the pace with experience?
It's different man a court or nesebaleni. So at least we apply if we had more space. Yeah. So players we've played Nago SAP, Vodacom now it's Mutsepe League. So most as players go up as is a nice experience. But the court football is not the same as Ipola Ejalo. Yeah.
All the best man class came in.
Sure man. I win.
Sure brother. As a midalo guys, yes. As Ben Sheila Kun, there's football, there's netball as well. But next to me I'm with Sisibo and also Lulisa Kanye. But bawinile ke badan bakhoma bawinile. Sisibo namhlanje es games zenu zinjani and also uthi niwinile.
Hayi be tough game namhlanje and sidlalile soke sidlalele sisi players and avuya siwinile and besingazithembanga. Besikoyika ngoba siqala ukungena but sadlala sawina. Sure.
And ukuthembi kodwa. Lisa as much as the teammate wakho ethi indlela na wina wena to play those games namhlanje what it means kuwe?
It means a lot, like we fun because it's a lot fun although in a prizes but yeah as massive lapa yeah we are enjoying ourselves and then
Then what?
yeah
So are you having fun playing these games?
yeah
And what else are you gaining when you're playing these games?
it's discipline because kuko some challenges through in netball but we learn how to discipline ourselves that's a balance.
Sisipo, as much as machine never discipline when on your side you know enjoy the most besides the results.
Ukudlala kwethu.
Yeah.
Sidlalile kakhulu and kwangoku Empires we're not sure cause bebengekho right. But ke sazama fighter. Saba fighter, saba right. Sure.
Why is it Empire bengekho right? Lisa wena uyayazi why esitsho otherwise game guys imandi netball namhlanje olwanda organizile zindoni message yenu to your peers abangekhoyo today apha?
Mabazosijoyina to just to enjoy. Ifani lapha ebaleni. Yeah.
As Kenyani sitsho ifani sebaleni, wena your message to your friends zakho?
Ukumnandi i-netball and kuyadlalwa and kufuneke like sibe serious. So
Okay guys, enkosini ke ne. Guys, ezemidlalo azisho esinizibonela nani with the girls ziziwinile game yazo ziya final ezemidlalo with myself ulinge Gcwabe. Ezemidlalo guys azisho selapha e-New 5 apho kudlala khona i-football and netball festival ke for abantwana and also not only abantwana, even the youth iyadlala, abantu badala bayadlala apha. Kumandi kuyilondo ezinibona na emva kwami kuyadlalwa. Next to me I'm with Someleze, one of the players lapha ye-netball, the Gods of Warriors ne. I-games today zinjani?
Ndizibulisele kubaphulaphuli. Igama lami ndinguSomeleze Mkiva. I-games zanamhlanje zimnandi and si-tough. Sisandodlala ngoku and we just played a tough game. So I encourage netball players zize next time kule tournament because it's such an exciting tournament to attend and to be part of.
Yeah. And when you mention to be part of kugcwele apha yabona nshoyo, i-team yakho you've got ambitions or objectives to these games. What are those objectives?
Our objective for this tournament currently is to win because there are prize monies and vouchers from our sponsors. Yeah. So objective here to pull for this current tournament is to win, nothing else, and to enjoy more than anything.
Your message to your teammates, man, after nisiya finals.
Jebe size finals my teammates ndifuna ubaxelela ba banga give up because not yonke into iza kuhamba according to what we planned, but ndifuna ubaxelela ba bangayeki. We got this. Sizawina le finals. Sayawina both the tournament.
Confidence ngaka sisi?
Hayi sizayawina.
Enkosi guys, ezemidlalo kwemicala uzizi uGcwabe bekukangako niphathele kona nibonile had so many players, so many coaches, even counselors bebelapha namhlanje doing interviews, watching the games. Ningasifumana kuzo zonke social platforms ziphuma ngaba TV. From my side ulinge Gcwabe uzizi ezemidlalo azishe.